This is my 2002 Toyota 4Runner. When I bought this Snorkel from eBay, it was only $60, and that's not the original intake suction cup thing. It's actually the aftermarket one. When I purchased it, the tube only goes all the way to here. As you see, this is a 2002 Toyota 4Runner. And this one, the intake tube only goes all the way to out here. See, you can see it. Well, it stops right here. The hose goes all the way here, so you need to put something between it that's watertight seal, as you see here. That will be a watertight seal. One thing you need to do is remove your air box and also remove this thing right here. And once you remove all of that intake thing, you can do something like this, a 90 degrees turbo hose, which is a 3-inch, slightly smaller than this, but it'll actually slide on it. And once you slide on it like that, you can put the end of this to that other hose of the intake. As you see here, 3 inches. I actually had to buy another. Well, I had the previous hose that was actually smaller, and I put it between that hose and the other one because this tube was actually smaller